Create an apron for grilling and smoking outdoors. Customize your apron by choosing your favorite fabrics, unique trim, and hardware combinations. This apron is designed for an adult man, but it can be worn by anyone. For a free step-by-step guide, tips, and a full list of materials needed, visit our website. First, draft the main apron pattern with the pattern paper or a substitute. Make a vertical straight line with the ruler and mark top center and bottom center. At the top center, measure horizontally and mark B dot. Measure from the top center, then measure horizontally and mark C dot. With the curved ruler, connect B dot and C dot. From the bottom center, measure horizontally and mark E dot. Connect E dot and C dot with a straight ruler. Decide if you would like a rounded or straight hem on your apron. Connect the bottom center to the E dot with the appropriate ruler for the finish that you would like. These measurements are a general suggestion. Every body type is different, so it is recommended that you play with the measurements and create samples to find what works best for you. To create a smaller top pocket, draw a rectangle. To draft a longer bottom pocket, draw a rectangle with a marking to indicate cut on fold. Draft the strap vinyl cover. Draft the backstrap diamond pattern by drawing across and connect the tips of each line with a curved ruler. Now cut the pattern out of fabric by pinning the pattern pieces to the fabric. Cut the webbing length in half and burn both ends of the webbing to prevent fraying. To make the vinyl backstrap diamond that will help to keep the belting strap structure, take 2 pieces and sew around the diamond. Leave a 1-inch opening. Clip the corners, turn inside out, and top stitch around the edges. Repeat this with 2 other pieces. Add a snap below each corner of the backstrap diamond pattern piece. On a different diamond, add the coordinating snap to complete. To place both the top pocket and the bottom pocket, clip the sides a 1/4 inch in. Finish the top of both pockets by folding the 1/2 inch seam allowance down and sewing straight across. Take an apron piece. The second cut apron piece will be used later and act as a backing so the seams won't show through. Measure below the top center. Place the top pocket down. Make sure that the finished side of the pocket is facing towards the hem. Sew the bottom of the pocket across. Flip the pocket so the wrong side of the pocket is facing the right side of the apron. But place the bottom pocket 10 inches below the top pocket. Divide the bottom pocket into 3 sections. Remember to backstitch. Sew along each side of the pocket. Repeat this step with the bottom pocket. To add binding, place the wrong sides of the apron together and pin the binding around the edge. Sew the binding onto the apron with a straight stitch or zigzag. For more information on making bias tape, visit fabricland.ca's how-to page. To add grommets, lay the apron out and measure 3/4 away from C dot and add a grommet. To attach the hook, weave the short side of the vinyl strap cover inside the edge of the hook and fold it in half. Place the hook's bottom bar below B dot, sew the vinyl to the apron fabric, repeat this step for the other side of the apron. To attach the webbing to the D-ring, place the webbing on the wrong side of the vinyl strap cover, leaving 1 inch of the vinyl exposed. Weave the short side of the vinyl and strap through the D-ring and fold it in half. With wrong sides together, sew through the vinyl strap cover and belting to secure. Repeat this step with the other D-ring. Feed the belting through the back strap of the diamond. Do this for both belting pieces. The straps should cross in the middle. This can be done easily by undoing the snaps. Feed the belting through the grommet. Cover the end of the belting with the vinyl strap cover and sew around to secure. Do this for both belting ends. The apron is now complete. Follow and share with us on Instagram and Facebook at Fabricland Canada.